Hello friends, in our previous video we have seen installation of GeoServer application and publishing shapefile with basic symbology and labeling. In this video we are going to see installation of QGIS software, display shapefile, assign symbology and labeling. We will also see how to save this symbology and labeling and use it as a reference in GeoServer application. We wanted to download QGIS application, so we'll open up a browser and we will type QGIS download for Windows because I am using a Windows operating system. So it will open a page like that. You have to click on the first link and then it will take you to the default download page. We will just scroll down and locate the latest QGIS version, that is 3.0. As soon as we click on that link, it will immediately start downloading process. So here it goes, it has started the downloading process and we can see the progress here. Since I have already downloaded this package, so I am just pausing and closing this window for now, and the downloaded package which is available with me is located in this folder. So I will just select that and double click it to start the installation process. Now QGIS package involves a very simple installation. Basic steps: next you have to click accept the agreement, and after accepting default parameters installation will complete. So it is a very simple installation procedure. Based on the configuration of your computer, the installation procedure may take maybe longer or few minutes for installation. So let us see. I am having a basic configuration laptop, so it is going to take slightly longer time for me. So now this kind of a flash screen will open and it is reviewing the system availability. Now I have to click on next and we can accept the agreement to move forward. If required, you can study the agreement and then click next. I am unchecking these options for creating shortcuts, but you can keep it. Click next and then click install. So now it will start installation process. So basic installation, and then after completing this process it will just give us a finish screen. So it is a very simple and very basic installation procedure. So now installation is complete, so you have to click on finish. So that's it for installing a QGIS application on your computer. So once installation is over, you may have a shortcut created on your desktop. You just have to double click on the shortcut and QGIS application will open. For the first time it will take some time, and then it will open a user interface. So you can display your file and work with that. So just click this button and then it will open a user interface to allow you to add different type of file. I want to display a shape file, so I'll click on vector and then I have to navigate to the path where my shape file is located. So I am using a default data directory of GeoServer application and I have placed my India state shapefile there. So I am going to data shapefile and then I'll select India state shapefile and say open. So I'll click on open, and so default parameters are already populated. You have to click add and then close. So India shapefile will be displayed like this. You can see it is default symbology, green color fill and black color outline. So let us change that. So what I want is black outline and hollow fill symbol, so transparent fill symbol. So there are various options available. I am clicking on simple fill option and then in this drop down I will select transparent fill. So it is transparent inside and having black outline, so it will be like this. Now let us do some labeling. So again double click on that and then I will click on labels option. So by default no label is selected, so I will go to the drop down and select single label, and state field is already selected. I can change the labeling font, style and size and everything. I am keeping it default right now. I will click apply, and then I want to change the outline from black to blue. So I will select this option and I will select the blue color. So now these are some basic symbology change I have done, and you can see on the screen blue outline and labeling. Now I want to save this thing and I want to use it in GeoServer application. So I am double clicking on it, and you can see on the bottom left there is a style drop down. So here it is. You have to click on style drop down and say save style. So you have to select SLD file format, and then you have to provide the path. So I am giving again my required path as an input, and then I will give some name, India states, and it will be saved with .sld extension. So I am clicking save, OK, and then OK. So my symbology and labeling parameters are saved. Now I want to use it in GeoServer application. So let me first of all start my GeoServer application. If it is already running in your computer, you don't require starting it again and again. So I have started this application. So GeoServer has started. Now let me load the login page, so I can log in into the GeoServer application. You know the URL, that is localhost default port 8080 and GeoServer. So just type down that URL, and then it will open up a welcome screen which will allow me to log in into the GeoServer application. So I will log in with the default username and password. You can have your particular username or password. So I am logging in. So once I log in, it will open user interface to preview the layers and check other information. So now I am going to layer preview, and let me check the previous file which we have already published, India state file. So let me locate that, and I will click on the open layers option. So it is already published with symbology, that is having black outline and labeling information. So yeah, here it is. Now I will go to style and I will load the style which we have created in QGIS. So create a new style. So now give it a name. So I will give India state 2, and then I will give the default workspace which we have created, and then choose file. So I will give the reference to a file. Here it is, India state.sld, and say open and click on upload. So GeoServer application will read that SLD file and update here. So see, file has been populated. Now click on validate to check for syntaxing errors if any. So it will validate, and at the bottom it will show a message. So yeah, we got the message with green color. Now apply and save it. So now we have created a new style which is using QGIS file as a reference. Now we have to apply this style to our layer. So I'll click on layer, and I have to locate the layer to which I want to apply. Clicking on the layer and then clicking publishing tab. So here it was using a previously created style. Now I will assign it the new style which we have created. So I'll select this file. Remember, this is a reference to a QGIS SLD which we have created. So I have assigned that, and I will say save. So a layer has been assigned now a new symbology. So now let us preview the layer with a new symbology. So I'll go to layer preview, and then again locate the layer and click on open layers. So now it will load the state file. Now you can see a new symbology has been applied, and this is the earlier symbology, black line, this is a blue line.